Hey guys, this is part 2 in our series of glitching. So this is part 2. So Barbette will show you the furnace glitch. Let's just go kind of silent over here. By the way, we have a new world of glitching.
It's for the most part like Tepig's glitch, but it's a little different. It's always a guarantee of it duplicating. First of all, you get your selected block. I'm going to use cobblestone in this case. I take cobblestone, I go into a furnace, sit out of the furnace, take cobblestone. Wait, I need cobblestone in my hands first. So, go into a furnace, exit out, place as much cobblestone as I want down. Go to the home screen, multitask, close Minecraft. I told you it's similar, but it's not exactly the same, because you can duplicate more than one.
Dude, can you take a video and say that I'm Batman in it?
Sorry.
We have some friends over, and we're having a party right now, so. 4 blocks in my hand, and there's 4 blocks on the ground. Good way. If you find enough diamonds, 9 diamonds, make a diamond block and you'll never have to go mining again.
Just do that for all resources, basically, right?
Any resource you can place down. You can't do it for apples, sticks, but you can do it for saplings and mushrooms and stuff. So, here was the part 2 of the glitching survival. See you later. This has been Blake and Tepig31. I mean Barbette, sorry.